If you don't give this to your peppers now, your harvest could be cut in half. The plants may look healthy and full of young fruits, making it seem like the hardest part is already over. But this is exactly when problems begin, leading to fewer, smaller, and weaker peppers than you expected. Once pepper plants enter the heavy fruiting stage, their needs are no longer the same as they were a month ago. At this point, they use huge amounts of nutrients to develop their fruits, and any feeding mistake can quickly affect the final harvest. Today, I'll show you a simple, natural fertilizer that I use during this period. First, pour 400 milliliters of water into a container. Then, add 100 milliliters of fresh milk. Do not use long-life milk, as fresh milk contains more beneficial compounds that may help support the plant. Milk is interesting because, in addition to nutrients, it contains natural substances that can contribute to better plant health and help it cope with stress during hot summer days. Now we come to an ingredient that many people underestimate, even though it often makes the biggest difference in the quantity and quality of the harvest. Add 1 teaspoon of wood ash that has been soaked in a small amount of water for 24 hours. Wood ash is extremely rich in potassium, and potassium is the most important nutrient for pepper plants at this stage. As fruits develop, the plant's demand for potassium increases dramatically. Without enough of it, fruits grow more slowly, remain smaller, and the plant struggles to use water efficiently. This is why many gardeners end up with beautiful green plants, but a harvest that falls far short of expectations. In many gardens, the real problem is not a lack of water, but a lack of potassium. But there is one more ingredient that is not added primarily to feed the plant. Its role is completely different, and it is one reason why many insects and fungal problems stay away from plants. Most people already have it in their kitchen, yet very few use it in the garden. Add 1 tablespoon of ground cloves. Cloves contain powerful aromatic compounds that many pests dislike, while also helping create less favorable conditions for certain fungal issues around the plant. Strain the liquid through a fine sieve and dilute it with 1 additional liter of water. Water your pepper plants directly at the root zone once every 10 days. Do not spray it on the leaves. Let me know in the comments if you have ever used wood ash on pepper plants and what results you achieved. See you in the next video.